Hello everyone, today we will discuss a short story, Gateman's Gift by R.K. Narayan. Basically, the story Gateman's Gift is about a gatekeeper who is enjoying a good pension after his long service of 25 years. His lack of awareness regarding the registered makes him an object of joke in the story. The gateman Govind Singh was a sincere and hard-working gateman at Ingledia. During the First World War, he was in Mesopotamia and he saw action there. After leaving army, he was appointed as a gatekeeper at Ingledia. Govind Singh loved his job. Training and disciplines of army can easily be witnessed in his posture at gate in khaki uniform with a band shoulder and sword stick under his arm. His silent work and enthusiasm for his work showed his sincerity and loyalty. His superiors were greatly pleased with his military manners. Of all the members of the staff, he respected General Manager the most. He respected rest of the staff members also. After his service for 25 years at Ingledia, he left his senses of vision and hearing failed him. He found it difficult to catch the approaching manager's footsteps, and it was hard to recognize him. He approached the manager with a request for retirement. It was readily accepted, and he was given a pension of 12 rupees per month for his rest of life. In this way, he was rewarded for his sincere service. After retirement, he spent his time at his cousin's shop and gossiped with people. One day, a girl came to him with a broken doll for repair. He not only repaired it but also mastered the art of making new ones. Now he could pass his time easily. He created a miniature universe. He made up beggars, vendors, and many other familiar figures out of clay. His toys attracted a large crowd and sold easily. Then he made a clay model of street scene. When he went to his office to collect his pension, he handed over the model to the accountant and told him that it was for general manager. Next time when he visited the office, he carried with him a model of fronting of his office, with himself at his post and general manager coming out of his car. A week later, Govind Singh received a registered cover from his office. Now Govind Singh, though referred a military man, was not aware of the ways of life. He was completely upset at the sight of the letter. He only knew that such a letter carried serious matter. Then he became fanciful and nervous. He was not ready to open the letter nor willing to go to his office to clarify his doubts. Instead, he kept on asking people that what letter contains. He had become completely unrealistic and unreasonable. People made fun of him when he approached them with a registered letter. One person sent Govind Singh to X-ray Institute, and there he asked assistant that tell me what letter contains, but without opening it. And hearing such a thing, the assistant told him that he did not look well and needed rest. Now he realizes that people were laughing at him because of his madness. After realizing that people looked at him as a madman, Singh decided to enjoy his madness. He decided to enjoy the freedom. He made a clay helmet and rushed through the street, wearing it on his head. He looked at the sky and talked meaninglessly. When he saw some school children, he had started entertaining them. Then he took a stone and broke a street light. When the police caught him, he said that he enjoyed the breaking glass which looks like papaya. Then he stood in the middle of the road and obstructed the traffic. At last, a accountant of his office came out of car and recognized Govind Singh, and he found that letter was still uncovered, and he asked Govind Singh to open envelope because it contains a check of 100 rupees from the general manager. Then he fell at his feet when he told him that he was certainly not a madman. Singh once again became a normal man but buried the artist in him forever. Thank you.